Now we're going to reflect a shape, and I'm going to reflect it with respect to this line. Now we're going to recall the equation of this line. So I'm going now to reflect with respect to the line y equals x. So this is the equation of the line y equals x, and the shape that I'm going to reflect is this square. So in order to reflect this square, let us call it square A, into square B, we start by drawing a perpendicular from the first vertex you choose, perpendicular to the line, and then same distance, extended same distance, and you get the first image or the first vertex, the image of the first vertex. You do the same for the second vertex, you extend same distance, and this is your second reflection. Then you choose the third vertex, you extend a perpendicular, or you draw a perpendicular to the line, and then you extend same distance. Now let us connect these vertices before we finish the last one, and the last one you extend, and this would be your reflection. We call this reflection, let's call it M. So we say M is the reflection of A with respect to line XY. So how did we draw it? We choose the first vertex, we draw the perpendicular directly to the line, and then we extend this perpendicular same distance, so these two segments are equal. Same thing for these two segments. Remember that this is a perpendicular here, and also same thing for the third vertex, a perpendicular same distance. You connect the dots and you connect the symmetric points of the vertices, and you get the image of A. Now remember that you don't change any size, so the size of the length of the size of the segments are the same, and the angles are still the same. There's no change in the length of the sides or the measure of the angles. You only have an image with respect to the line y equals x.